Hi guys, it's Calvin from Raw Coding. In this video, I'll show you how to filter data in Python. I have a CSV file containing names, gender, experience, and salaries of various employees. Today I'll create a program that will filter all rows from people that have a salary greater than 30,000. In order to fully understand how this works, I will show you both the long way and the short way on how to do this. We will start with the long way. I'm using the PyCharm IDE with the Pandas library on Python. I've imported the Pandas library at the top of our program, and I've used the read CSV function to read our content from our CSV file. This is a boolean. A boolean can either be true or false. We will use boolean values to filter which rows are above 30,000 and which rows aren't. We will store these boolean values in a list. We will then create a for loop to check the salary column for values that are above 30,000 and for values which aren't. If the value we are looping through is above 30,000, we will add true to the list of booleans. If it's under 30,000, then we will add false to the list of booleans. I'm now going to run our program, and as you can see, we have a list of boolean values. In order for our list to work with the Pandas library, we will convert our list to a Panda series. A Panda series is a one-dimensional labeled array that can hold data of any type. To convert our list, we use the Python library .series and pass in our list into the parameter. I'm going to run our program. When we print our series, it looks very much like an indexed dataset with numbers on the left and the values on the right. It's still of Boolean type, as you can see at the bottom, but it's ordered and has the same number of rows as our salary column. Finally, we can pass our series of Booleans into our contents data frame. When we run our program, all the rows with the salary value above 30,000 will be outputted. So this was the long way to do things. What is great about Pandas is that we can write all of this in a single line. We can simply tell our program to create a data frame with values from the salary column that are greater or equal to 30,000. To do so, all we say is content.salary, which is our salary column, and then use a comparable, in this case, greater or equal to 30,000. So it will filter the values, do all of this, and if we run our program again, you can see that it's outputted the same values as the whole drawn out process we did in the long version of it. So this is the quick version and this is the long version. It's basically the same thing. As a bonus tip, we always want to be specific as possible in data analytics. So therefore, it's good practice to use the loc function, which stands for location. The first value addresses the x-axis and the second the y-axis. This basically says output all rows from the salary column that are greater than 30,000. And the value of the second parameter says output all columns. This concludes my tutorial on filtering data in Python. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.